Where's your glasses at?
My purse.
Don't see the transition.
Oh yeah. Okay, and in transition. Bae, look. They transition, right? Okay, y'all, so welcome back to the channel. We ain't make it out until what? 1:34. That's how we gonna start it off, is 1:34. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure your post bell notifications is on, so every time that I do post, you are notified. Make sure you're booking and shopping with Tiara's One Stop Shop, and follow your girl on all her social media. This is day 2, first full day, kinda, cause it's 1:30, but we needed that nap. Huh? I don't know. I got cash in my purse. But I mean, so yeah, the water is so blue, y'all. When the water's so blue. Okay, we about to find a spot and we'll be back. Look at the water. It's so blue. Oh, it's so blue. I'm scared. Babe, I can't be out here by myself. Oh my God. It's the fact that nobody knows how to swim. So what if something happened? It's a lot of people. They'll come get me, I guess. Right? Look how blue the water is. This ain't that dirty Myrtle. This ain't that dirty Myrtle. We gotta find jet skis. It's not cold. What it was
All the water. What you waiting on?
I'm scared. It look like it's a dip right here. Like it go down a hill. Come on, baby. Can you come with me? What they got to do anything? My phone in my hand.
Air pockets in my pocket.
Baby, it's not gonna go that down that far. Oh yeah, it kinda look like it. Go put them up in the bag. You said what? Please. You taller, so go down first. Ah! It's cold as hell. Oh my God! Why would you let me go when we got here?
I let you go, first of all. I was trying to take my shirt off before it get wet.
Where we going?
It's pulling me out.
Oh. That's all I got for you. Okay, Zaddy. Aggressive as waves. You see straight through the water. Yes. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is this what was it? A? What was this called? It started with an A. So pretty when the water's so blue. So blue.
Come on.
I hate adventurous ass people.
It's in the water, that's it. It's not even that.
Yeah, what we doing? Going up under?
I don't know what
You
doing.
first.
I don't go
You
in
got
the water.
AirPods on.
I don't go in the water.
We gotta find jet skis. I wanna do jet skis. This is beach day. Jet ski day. Water, jet ski. Spin. Let me see. Yeah. He coming to get your ass. He coming for you. Help me down.
There's another spot in this rock if you want to sit down.
I don't want to sit on that rock. I'm scared.
Me too. I feel like I'm going to have an after effect.
Of what?
Well, The sea urchins.
All right. I don't know what be on the rocks. It's green.
Algae.
Yeah, algae. Pretty though. The algae pretty on the rock. Oh, look at the fish. You see it? Right here. Hold on.
Oh, right here?
It's like black and it got black and white stripes.
Oh, this black and white stripe, that's the lionfish. He poisonous.
Is this right here? You see it?
No, I don't see it, but I'm about to leave.
It's black and white fish.
I see a bunch of little shits.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
You see it right here? It's closer.
Yeah, just touch something now.
Baby, that's probably rocks. But the fish is right here.
Get their asses on, man. Go that way.
No, they like this big though.
Oh, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, not little. Them little right there. I'm talking about bigger than that. They right there. It's coming right here. You see them swimming?
Hell no, but
Well, you need to stand up so you can see
I don't
them.
want to stand up, I don't want to see you. Get the fuck away from me.
I hope my glass is picking up the fish.
That bird need to come get his ass.
I don't know about when we right here, but you know. It's what? We gotta go find some jet skis. Why is that jet ski just sitting out there by itself? We gotta go find some. This is our first beach stop. So this is gonna be a beach day. And then oh my god, how we gonna get in there? I don't know how to swim. Oh, it's cold. Do I just get up there?
Yeah. Gotta watch out the glasses and watch out your hat.
Okay. You want to leave your hat?
You can put your hat in here. You can put your glass in the front if you want.
Okay.
First time?
Yes.
Right. Red bottom, start and stop. Right to the gas. The left one is reverse to go backwards, but you guys don't need it. Don't have no brakes. You want to slow down? Then go to gas and then slow down, alright? Back the point on the back there, the key will take off. Get off on the back, slide it back over here. When the 30-minute pass, we're still going to come and chase you guys down, right?
Okay.
Remember, you guys on trouble. More gas, more stabilize. Big turn, wide turn. Alright?
Did I cut it on now?
Enjoy, you guys.
Alright.
It's him to drive.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know.
The aftermath. Was it fun, babe? Did you have fun?
I won't do it again.
You won't do it again. That was fun. I couldn't see. I hope Meta was able to record for y'all so y'all can see what I see. Y'all, that was fun. That was fun.
Motorcycle gives you more, but still in a rush.
Give you more of an adrenaline rush. That's because you're more comfortable on a motorcycle. You don't think so? Because you're more comfortable. Because you're on the road. It's the sea. Questionable. We can't. Well, you can swim on top of the water, so I guess that means he can swim. But
It's a wash thing, right?
we gotta wash our feet off. And they're sandy. We got sandy feet. Getting the sand off his shoes. We were at somewhere called Sea Mart. Looking crazy. Looking crazy. Cute crazy though. Looking cute crazy. Look at the prices of them though. Wipe y'all off. Prices. So we are on the way. We got dressed. We really cute or whatever. But we're on the way to O'Neill's Caribbean. I tried to get here yesterday. I like my hand.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
You ain't even that ghetto, fam.
It's my hand not ghetto. People just talk with their hands. That doesn't mean that they ghetto.
I'm talking to you.
But I'm not like, that's ghetto.
You are, though.
I'm not. I was saying like, I'm doing gestures. Anyway, I'm not ghetto at all. I don't want to be ghetto. But, and I think he having too much fun, like, driving through the streets. Because there's no lights, no street lights. It's just roundabouts. And they very aggressive drivers. But I was saying that we are on the way to O'Neill's Caribbean. I've been trying to get here since yesterday. We missed it yesterday. And we ended up at, where did we go to? Benihana's. Which was good. But he said Arigatos that we have.
At the roundabout,
where we live
take the
is
second
better.
exit.
The rice, no. Arigatos, I don't know. If they added chicken in their rice, it would be better. I don't know. It was pros and cons. He didn't like that. He didn't like their they call it yum yum sauce, but we call it white sauce at Arigatos. But he didn't like that. Anyways, we're talking about O'Neill's. It was 40 minutes away from our Airbnb. I don't know what we're gonna do afterwards. Probably just do some, I don't know, go outside. That's what I'm thinking.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
We look cute, so we're gonna go outside after we get something to eat because we haven't eaten. It's time for dinner. It's dark. It's dark. But I wanted to pick y'all up because I don't know when the last time I picked y'all up or said anything, and I don't know how long this is. But this is part 2. My hair is wet. I didn't even light iron it, but it's just looking at how it's gonna look. I'm gonna have to wash my whole head. I don't know if y'all can even hear me because the window's down, but I'm gonna have to wash my whole head when I get home. Wash my wig. I'm gonna put this back on because I really like this color. Hold on. I gotta sneeze. Oh my god.
Fake. Wash mine too.
That was not fake. I'm gonna wash your hair. Yes, I wash your hair too. We it got really wet today. I didn't expect that at all. Hopefully I can get the footage off because it's saying that I got my storage. I'm gonna have to delete some stuff on my phone to get the storage off of my Meta glasses because they're saying it's too much storage, so I can't even tell you what I seen. But I hope it's some good footage, and I hope the lens wasn't wet when I was recording because I was soaking wet.
At the roundabout,
but we're gonna go home and wash our hair when we get back. And yeah, not only I was so wet that I got a wig on, that the hair up under my wig I feel like it's wet too, that needs to be washed. So my whole head is going to be washed, reinstalled, all the above. But yeah, we're not gonna worry about that. Hopefully we get up early in the morning to get something done tomorrow. We're either gonna do the underwater sea thing or we're gonna do horseback riding tomorrow. So depending on what time we get up in the morning will determine on which activity we get to do.
In 3/4 of a mile. At the
we'll do that, and then
take
we'll
the second exit.
see if we can do some type of shopping or anything. See what kind of malls they got. But right now, I just want to go get me some oxtails because I was determined to get me some oxtails. I want some oxtails so bad. I ain't never seen no ambulance. It was the first time. I ain't seen no police. You know what? I seen on TikTok that they made something. I think they turned a mall into a jail because a jail into a mall because they don't have that much crime. It was a waste of money to have a jail. So yeah, and I haven't seen a gas station.
Sick of the right there.
Oh well.
We were just over there earlier. Going to that C-Mart over there.
Okay. Well, I seen a gas station. But yeah, y'all, I guess I'll pick y'all back up when we get to the restaurant or tell y'all what happened because they close at 8 o'clock. It's almost 7 and we got 20 minutes to get there. So hopefully we can get in and I can get me some oxtails and I'm gonna get him the it's some type of chicken. I'm gonna have to look that up again. That everybody was saying it was popular. The chicken. I'm gonna get him the chicken. It was more popular than my oxtails, but I want the oxtails.
Are you supposed to open the shell up?
Okay, it's good. Is it good? The sauce on here? I'm gonna give y'all a piece. Dripping my juice. That's the aftermath.
Can't drink that shit, frankly.
Cheers. Mine is nasty. I can definitely taste the Where'd he go? Go away. Where you go? Oh my god, lizards. Lizards. I know you're in here. Where are you? I'm just trying to chill in the tub. I'm just trying to chill. Y'all know my favorite spot. Did y'all see that lizard? I don't know where he went. Only one. Only one.